Now we discuss problem number 2 in moments. In the topic moments, we discuss another problem. See the problem. The first 4 moments of a distribution about the variable 4, about the value 4 of the variable are minus 1.5, 17, minus 30 and 108. About the value 4, which means non-central moments. Find the moments about mean beta 1 and beta 2. Also find moments about origin, and then it was specified. Also find moments about origin. So therefore, after calculating the central moments, we have to calculate moments about origin, that is mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, mu4 dash. Also we have to calculate again. So right now it was, what are the given values? Given that solution, the solution is going to be calculated by here given values I am writing. Given that here it is, you see the value 4, therefore I am writing a is equal to 4, and corresponding to the value a is equal to 4, the moments which are given, which means which are non-central moments, I am writing as mu1 dash is equal to minus 1.5, mu2 dash is equal to 17, mu3 dash is equal to minus 30 and mu4 dash is equal to 108. These are the values here given. So it is, you should be very particular, right? So now we have to calculate, find the moments about mean. So for which I am using the central relation between central moments in terms of the non-central moments. Okay, which means directly I am calculating moments about mean. So directly I am calculating here. So mu1 is equal to 0, obviously mu1 is equal to 0, no need to use any relation, and mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. So that is the first relation. Of course the second one, which means r is equal to 2, r is equal to 1 is this, r is equal to 2, that is mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square, which means here mu2 dash, it is given 17 minus mu1 dash minus 1.5 whole square. Use the calculator and do the value. You will get the value as 14.75, which is the value here if you find. And then mu3, I am again using the another relation, mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash whole cube, which is equal to mu3 dash minus 30 minus 3 into mu2 dash is 17 plus 2 into mu1 dash is minus 1.5 whole cube is equivalent to B. You calculate this value, and so that we will get 39.75 is the value of mu3. And come now calculate, use the another relation which is called mu4. Mu4 is equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square minus 3 into mu1 dash power 4 is equivalent to B. This is the relation, and substitute the values. Mu4 dash, it is 108 minus 4 into mu3 dash, it is minus 30, 4 into minus 30 into mu1 dash minus 1.5, and plus 6 into mu2 dash, it is 17, 6 into 17 into minus 1.5 whole square, plus one more value you have, which is minus 3 into minus 1.5 whole power 4. So the final value of this is, if you calculate, if you simplify, calculate this value, you will get mu4 value 142.3125. Calculate the value with the calculator, you will get this value. Hope you understand. These are what the moments about mean, which are mu2, mu3 and mu4. The values here mu2, mu3 and mu4. Right? This is the first one you have to calculate the moments about mean, the question number 1. And after that, moments about mean, you have to calculate beta 1 and beta 2. With the help of mu2, mu3, mu4, we can calculate beta 1 and beta 2. I am calculating beta 1 and beta 2. Beta 1 is equal to, it is mu3 square divided by mu2 cube, which is equivalent to be mu3 square 39.75 whole square divided by mu2 cube. mu2 is 14.75 whole cube, which the value here, if you simplify this, you will get the value 0.4924. Right? And similarly, if you calculate beta 2, it is equivalent to be mu4 divided by mu2 square is equal to mu4 142.3125. You observe here, divided by mu2 square. mu2 is 14.75 whole square. So if you calculate this, you will get the value 0.6541. This is what the value of the beta 2. In this fashion, we can calculate beta 2. And then now another question it is given. You observe here, also find moments about origin. So if you calculate for which you have to calculate the mean first. So I am calculating mean. So if you calculate mean is equal to x bar, which is equivalent to be, is going to be calculated by using the formula mu1 dash plus a. What is mu1 dash? mu1 dash is equal to minus 1.5 plus a is equivalent to be 4. So the value is 2.5. 4 minus 1.5, 2.5. So this is what the value of x bar. Okay. If you know the x bar and the respective central moments, we have calculated mu2, mu3, mu4. Take these values and x bar. So I am writing here, to calculate moments about origin, I am considering the values moments about origin. For moments about origin, I have to calculate, for which I am consider x bar is equal to 2.5 and mu2 is equal to the value, mu2 value 14.75 and mu3 is equal to 39.75 and mu4 you have calculated, it is 142.3125, which are the values here. And now with the help of these values, now I am calculating moments about origin. Now I am using non-central moments in terms of the central moments. Remember, non-central moments in terms of the central moments, which means first of all I am calculating mu1 dash. So you see, for which we are using another formula, mu1 dash. mu1 dash is equal to the formula x bar minus a, x bar minus a. Okay, x bar minus a means here x bar is 2.5 minus origin. A is equal to 0, the origin is 0. So therefore it is 2.5. Moments about origin means A is equal to 0. That is what you have to write clearly. So therefore A is equal to 0 and the value mu1 dash is equal to 2.5. First one calculated. Now remaining moments, mu2 dash is equal to the formula here, mu2 plus mu1 dash square. Remember, these are the interrelations between non-central moments in terms of the central moments, non-central moments in terms of the central moments. That is what I am writing here. mu2 the value here 14.75 plus mu1 dash just now we have calculated. This is mu1 dash 2.5 whole square is equivalent to be a certain value here. It is 21, right? And mu3 dash is equal to, it is also another relation, it is going to be existed. It is mu3 the formula plus 3 into mu2 mu1 dash plus mu1 dash cube. This is what the formula here. And mu3, in which the mu3, what is the value of mu3? It is 39.75 plus 3 into mu2 is going to be just now mu2 is here 14 point into 14.75 multiplied by mu1 dash is 2.5 plus mu1 dash whole cube 2.5 whole cube. So the final value here is equivalent to be, if you calculate this you will get 166. This is the value here. And finally one more, mu4 dash is going to be calculated with the formula, mu4 dash formula. Do you remember the formula? It is mu4 plus 4 mu3 mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 mu1 dash square plus mu1 dash power 4. This is what the formula. Substitute the values here is equivalent to be mu4, it is 142.3125 plus 4 into mu3 is 39.75 and multiplied by mu1 dash, it is 2.5 plus 6 into, that I am writing here, okay, plus 6 multiplied by mu2 is 21, mu2 is not 21, mu2 is 14.75 multiplied by mu1 dash square, that is 2.5 whole square. Is it visible? Right. Next, plus mu1 dash power 4, 2.5 whole power 4. If you simplify all these value, this value, what you will get? You will get one particular value 1132. Right. This is what the calculation of moments about origin. I explain again. You consider mean, calculate x bar is equal to mu1 dash plus a, and from the previous values minus 1.5 plus 4, it is equivalent to 2.5. That is what the base of calculation of these next moments about origin. Now the moments about origin, in which origin means you have to consider a is equal to 0. That is what the relation you have to obtain, and consider, for which you consider x bar, this is the value of 2.5, and mu2, mu3, mu4 are the previous values we have calculated, which are central moments about mean, and then mu1 dash we have to calculate by using the interrelations between non-central moments in terms of the central moments. for which you have to calculate mu1 dash first, x bar minus a, it is 2.5 minus 0, and it is a because a is 0, and 2.5 mu1 dash, and then relations mu2 mu2 dash is equal to mu2 plus mu1 dash square. Substitute the value. Mu3 dash, mu3 plus 3 mu2 mu1 dash plus mu1 dash cube, you will get the value, and mu4 dash, mu4 plus 4 mu3 mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 mu1 dash square plus mu1 dash power 4. This is the value you have. So this is what the one very important problem, right? Problem number 2 I have explained in this session, right? I hope you enjoyed, you can understand the problem, right? Fine, thank you.